For an instance, let us say that this circle is me, and I face a lot of pressures and expectations from a lot of stakeholders in my life. So, for example, I have expectations from different people, and hence different people have expectations from me. So, if I say that all these people, these arrows signify the expectations that people have on me, and if I categorize those people, I might come up with 4 or 5 broad categories. For example, one set of stakeholders who definitely have expectations from me are my family. The next set of people who have expectations from me are my colleagues, could be my peers, could be my manager, my reportees, my customers, could be my friends who have a lot of expectations from me, my neighbors who probably do not want me to leave my lawn unmowed for a long period of time, acquaintances to whom I feel I have an obligation of politeness, of being helpful, strangers who possibly influence me in different ways in terms of being social media influencers, movie actors, role models, corporate executives who probably I look up to, and n number of stakeholders who influence me on a daily basis. Now, what happens is, when I have all these influences from all these stakeholders on me on a daily basis, if I'm not able to manage the amount of expectation that these people have on me, I would possibly crack at different spaces. Now, as long as I ensure that whatever these people expect from me, in case it's not doable by me, I just set the expectation right and repel whatever extra expectations these stakeholders have from me. I am fine. But the moment I do not set the expectation right, or I do not isolate the reasons for stress that each of these stakeholders is causing on me, I will probably crack. So, for example, if my family makes a lot of expectations from me and I'm not able to tell them that this is not done, I will probably release this energy onto someone over here who's possibly not the reason for my stress. Similarly, for example, I might take it out on my neighbor, right? Similarly, I might actually not be able to push back on the expectations that my family has. In turn, I could probably break. This part of me would probably chip off. Similarly, there could be other stakeholders who might be influencing me a lot more, causing me to fizz out in another direction. Some people make you fizz out a lot, some people make you fizz out a bit. For example, if you have a pet that's very demanding, probably it doesn't stress you out so much, but if you have someone who's very demanding, as a human being, you would probably be stressed out more. Now, the point is that in this situation, I was able to retain my composure and sanctity. If this represents, say, my ability to take rational decisions, being a circle makes me help manage all the expectations evenly. Not being a circle, not being able to push back on one set of expectation, possibly is leading to bumps in another direction and dents in the direction in which I have higher stress. So I believe that every time we are faced with stressful situations where we feel that one set of stakeholders is having immense pressure on us more than what we can give back to them in terms of returning their or clarifying the expectations they have from us, then it would cause us to become someone like this. And when you are like this, you're probably not agile, because when you're like this, you're agile, you're sane, you're able to take rational decisions, you are kind, you are humble, and you're able to achieve your goals. But when you're like this, you're already very, your entire struggle is to remove this extra patch of stress, that this particular, you're only focusing on making yourself a wholesome individual instead of moving forward and becoming a better individual. So I would say that each time we are faced with stressful situations, maybe we should draw this graph for ourselves and put ourselves in the center of all the expectations different stakeholders have from us in that particular situation, and see who is pushing back on us and who is actually bearing the brunt of our temper or of our behaviors. And that would probably help us set the expectation right with the right stakeholder, and not let other stakeholders who have no fault in this particular situation suffer in silence.